Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And yes, I am back with another CVS haul. Guys, CVS is fire this week. If you're not at CVS getting deals, then you are missing out. There's all kind of glitches, freebies, money makers, and everything. So go ahead and get your phones out so that you could take some screenshots because these are some good deals I'm about to show you. Plus, you want to get your CVS app out because we're going to get some coupons off of there. You want to make sure that you have Ibotta downloaded because we are going to submit to Ibotta. And if you haven't downloaded Ibotta, it's okay. I'm going to put the link in the description box as well as in the comments. So all you have to do is click on the link and set your account up. And when you redeem your first rebate, you're going to get $10. And then you can share your link with your friends and family. And every time they redeem their first rebate, you'll get $10 and they'll get $10. We're also going to use an app called Checkout 51 because we're going to redeem something on there too. So guys, let's get ready to save. Let's jump right into it. I didn't do the video in the store because I was getting kind of tired. It was crowded. Didn't feel like waiting in line. So I just grabbed everything and paid for it and left out. And I figured I'll just do the video once I get home. So that's exactly what I did. So let's go ahead and go over our first deal. So the first deal that we did, or that I did, excuse me, was on the Revlon. And this week, Revlon is spend $15 and get a $5 extra buck. What's nice about this deal is that you can do the deal 6 times. That's a lot of makeup, guys. And actually, you know, depending on what coupons you have, what CRTs you have, you can actually get some of this makeup for free or just about free. So let me show you what I did. So I grabbed 3 of the Kiss Bombs because I have a CRT that is buy 2, get 1 free Revlon lip. So I grabbed the Kiss Bombs. Now, some of you guys may have gotten Revlon coupons in your inserts. I think that's a regional coupon because only certain people got that. I didn't get it. But what I did is I went to coupons.com and I printed off this coupon. It's a $2 Revlon lip coupon. Now listen to me very carefully. If you go to coupons.com, you can print off 2 prints, okay? But you cannot submit your receipt to coupons.com, the app, if you buy the Kiss Bombs. Because on the coupon, it clearly states excludes Kiss Bombs and clearance items. So when you scan it into the coupons.com app, it says it gives you X. It doesn't work. But if you print the coupons from coupons.com, it does work on the Kiss Bombs. And if you have the insert coupon, it works on the Kiss Bombs. So you know me, I'm going the cheapy route. So I went and got the Kiss Bombs. So I used 2 prints from coupons.com. Now there's also a digital coupon in your CVS app that does not work on the Kiss Bomb. It works on the other lipsticks, but it doesn't work on the Kiss Bombs. So I got 3 of the Kiss Bombs. They are $6.29. So of course, 2 of them I will pay for and 1 would be free. It would not allow me to use the 3rd coupon on the Revlon, or if it did, I'm not sure because actually, excuse me, I said that wrong because I had the digital and I thought that would work, but it didn't. Okay. And I actually am going to combine all of my Revlon deals because I had an $8 off 40 purchase that I wanted to use also. So I also grabbed 3 of the Revlon, 3 of these, the Revlon New Complexion palettes. Those were $17.49 a piece. That's a lot, right? But it's okay because we're getting a bunch of extra bucks back. So again, I had another CRT that was buy 2, get 1 free Revlon compacts, all right? So I used that. And then I also went to coupons.com and I printed off this coupon, which is a $3 off the face, Revlon face coupon. Okay. Again, you cannot, it will not work if you submit it to coupons.com, the app, but if you print the coupons off, it works. So I used 2 on there, and then I combined them, so I also got my 8 off of 40. But guess what, guys? Though that face makeup, there's actually an Ibotta rebate for that for $2. So you get $2 for each Revlon foundation, so that's another $6 that I got off. So that was pretty good, because when you add it all up, our total is a little over $60. So that means we got $20 in extra bucks coming back. So all together, let me show you my receipt and actually how I did the deal, because I think it still ended up being a fantastic deal. Here you go. So there you see my 3 Revlon Kiss Bombs at $6.29. Then my 3 complexion compacts at $17.49. There's my 2 $3 off face coupons, my 2 lip coupons, the buy 1 get 2 free CRT for the lip, the buy 2 get 1 free CRT for the compact, the $8 off 40 CRT. And then I used a bunch of extra bucks. So I used $19.89 in extra bucks. And then I paid $14.67. So when you add all that up, that's $34.46 out of pocket. But it's okay, guys, because look, I got back a $20 extra buck. Plus, I got back $6 from Ibotta. So that's $26 that I got back. So that, when you do the math, you subtract $26 from $34.46. That means I paid $8.46 for all of that makeup. $8.46 for 6 things of Revlon makeup. That's like $1.41 for each piece. Guys, you cannot beat that. Plus, this will count towards beauty. So that is an excellent, excellent deal for me. Now, you may find a different way to do it. It may come out better for you, but this is excellent for me, and I'm absolutely fine with it. So now my second deal that I did, and guys, this is actually an Ibotta glitch, okay? My second deal I did was with the Pro Enamel toothpaste. So these, let me show you guys. These are the 0.8 size. These are found in the travel section, okay? Now I got 5 of those, and they are $2.49. Now this week, CVS is having a special where you buy $15 worth of travel and beauty on the go, and you get a $3 extra buck back. So when I bought 5 of them, that was only like $13 and some, or yeah, like $13 and some. So I didn't reach the $15 threshold, so I had to get something else. So I grabbed this first aid kit, and the first aid kit was $3.29. So that put me well over my $15 threshold. But the reason I grabbed that first aid kit is because that is actually an item that qualifies for your free beauty item this month. So I got that so I wouldn't have to pay for that, and it would get me to my $15 threshold and get my $3 in extra bucks. Now, let me tell you where the glitch is. So Ibotta actually has a rebate where you get $2 back for the Pro Enamel. So let me show you. So I got $2 back for each one of those. So I bought 5. So that was $10 back. That's an excellent deal, guys. Plus, I got the first aid kit for free. Okay. And I got $3 back in extra bucks. So this actually ended up being a moneymaker for me. So let me show you guys exactly how I did this. Okay. Well, first, let me show you that I combined this. If you do that by itself, it ends up being like a 22-cent moneymaker, something like that, okay? But I combined that with the VOSS water. So the VOSS water isn't giving back any extra bucks, and there's not any sales or anything, but we have some good coupons and rebates to go with that. So that VOSS water is $3.19. Now you can get the clear bottles or you can get the blue bottles. I normally get the blue bottles, but my store was sold out of the blue bottles, so I had to go with the clear ones. So the clear ones are $3.19. I grabbed 3 of them. And the reason I grabbed 3 is because I had some really good coupons and CRTs to go with this, okay? So I grabbed 3, so that brought my total to $9.57. But I went to the CVS app, and there is this digital coupon for $1 off any VOSS water. This same coupon is available on coupons.com for you to print. So I printed off 2 copies. So that was a total of $3 that I got off of the VOSS water. So that was $3 off of my $9.57. Then I had a CRT, which was $3 off any food or beverage products. So that took another $3 off. But then I submitted my receipt to Checkout 51 because they have this offer right here where you get $1.25 back for each VOSS water that you purchase. And even though it's the blue bottles, the white bottles do qualify, and you could do it up to 5 times. So I actually purchased 3, and I end up getting back $3.75 for purchasing those VOSS waters. Okay? Now, when you take the $9.57, which was the total of the VOSS waters, minus the $3 in coupons, minus the $3 CRT, minus the $3.75 that we got back from Checkout 51, look, that makes this an 18-cent money maker. We got free water, guys. Free VOSS water at that, right? So that was pretty good. So if you add that on top of the moneymaker that we got from the Pronamel, this whole transaction is free. So let me show you my receipt. So there you see the 5 Sensodynes, Pronamels. There you see the first aid kit. Then the 3 VOSS waters. There's the 3 $1 coupons for the VOSS waters. The top 2 were the prints, and the $1 was the digital. There's my free Beauty Club CRT for the first aid kit. The $3 off 9 any food and beverage CRT. And then I used $12 in extra bucks to pay. And then I paid $4.02 on a gift card. So that was a total of $16.02 that I paid out of pocket. But look, I got back the $3 in extra bucks for buying $15 in travel and all of that. Plus, I got back the $3.75 for the VOSS water. And remember, I submitted my receipt to Ibotta for the Sensodyne, and I got back $10 back for that. So when you do all of that math, I got back a total, I paid $16.02 out of pocket, but I got back a total of $16.75. So that makes the Pronamel, the VOSS, and the first aid kit a 73-cent moneymaker. So guess what? They paid me 73 cents to whiten my teeth, to use the first aid kit, and then to stay hydrated. Guys, if that's not good, I don't know what you're thinking. So all together, guys, when you do all the math, I paid $8.46 for the for the Revlon, and the next thing was an 18-cent moneymaker. So when you do all that math, I paid $8.28 for all of this. Pretty good. I'm satisfied with it. I'm sure if you go do the deal, you'll be satisfied. So, guys, let me know what you plan on doing. Let me know what you did with your Revlon CRTs, the buy 2, get 1 free. Let me know if you got the first aid kit or you decided to get something else for your beauty club. And Let me know if you did the Pronamel Ibotta glitch. But I thank you guys so much for tuning in. I thank you guys for your loyalty and dedication to the channel. Keep commenting, keep sharing, keep liking, and until the next time, keep on saving.